Miro has boards, and we can put a lot of different content on those boards. In this video, we'll be using Miro for brainstorming, and along the way, we'll cover the basics such as sticky notes, shapes, and frames. When you start a new board, you can choose from one of the many templates, but we'll start with a blank board so we can show you around. This toolbar on the left is called the Object menu, and it's how we add stuff to our board. We'll start with a text box so we can give our brainstorm a name. Click the text box icon and click anywhere on the board to place it. Here we're using a text box as a simple title, but it can do a lot more, like bullets, numbers, and hyperlinks. But here we'll use it for our title. Now in Miro, there are sticky notes, which come in different colors, but we've never been told the names of those colors. So today we'll be brainstorming those names. Let's add our first idea. Click the sticky note icon, select a color, and click anywhere on the board to place it. We can see that there is a cursor blinking in the sticky, which means we can add text. Let's type our first idea. We'll call this color Shark Attack Ocean Breeze. Editing anything on the board in Miro follows the same basic idea. Click once to select it, click twice to edit the text inside. Okay, another sticky. We'll grab this color and call it yellow. I feel pretty good about that name, but let's brainstorm a bunch more. To do that, we'll press Tab while editing the text of a sticky. A blank sticky appears so we can type a new idea and then repeat. Nice. Now that we have multiple ideas for a few of the colors, we'll organize them into groups. Click and drag stickies to move them around the board. In fact, click and drag to move anything around the board. To select a group of stickies, we'll hold Shift and then click and drag. Shapes will make our groups of stickies more obvious. So click the Shapes icon, select a shape, then click and drag to draw the initial shape on the board. With the shape selected, we can customize it with the toolbar that appears next to it. As our final step, we want to add a frame so that this brainstorm will stay separate from the further work we'll do on this board. Remember, Miro's boards are infinite, so when we add a game, a diagram, Kanban, or whatever else, we can do it all on a single board. Frames will prevent even our largest boards from becoming disorganized. To add a frame, click the Frame tool in the Object menu. Then click and drag. And we're done. Time to share these phenomenal, creative, award-winning color names with the rest of the Miro team.